What's going on? It's your boy Santana with ElevatedWithin.com coming to you with another Shopify video. So a very common question is, does Shopify accept Bitcoin? Well, the funny thing is Shopify has been accepting Bitcoin since 2013. So let's go ahead and jump straight into my money making machine so I can show you guys how you can start accepting Bitcoin today on your Shopify stores. Inside of my money making machine, where I'm getting ready to show you guys exactly how to add Bitcoin as a form of payment on your Shopify store. So for those of you that know what Bitcoin is, you know that it's a very fast, easy, and very cost-effective way of accepting payments. So let's go ahead and dive right into it so you can start accepting Bitcoin today. Inside of your actual Shopify dashboard, you want to come to the actual settings section. And in the settings section, you want to go ahead and select payment providers. Once you select payment providers, you want to scroll down the screen till you get to the section that states alternative payments. In that drop-down menu, select BitPay, and you'll be able to go ahead and get your Bitcoin or your Coinbase added by adding the API key. If you don't know how to do this, no worries. In the actual description of the video, I went ahead and dropped this document that's going to walk you step by step on getting that API added so you can start accepting Bitcoin payments. So I'm not going to go into detail it right now. Just simply go into the description, download the actual document, and get started, and you'll be able to get that accomplished. Once you've done that, go ahead and take advantage of the free Shopify course that I have available to you, where I show you guys how to get your store started from A to Z, how to find products, and how to go about marketing that product so you can start generating sales. And it's completely free to you guys. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys are accepting Bitcoin like the thousands of Shopify store owners that are out there. And let's go out there and keep growing. See you guys in the next video.